हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे होंगे? मेरे ख्याल से बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे और मेरे चैनल को देख रहे होंगे। दोस्तों आज का चैलेंज बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है। तो दोस्तों आज का चैलेंज स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो दोस्तों देखते हैं आज के चैलेंज हमारे पास क्या है। तो वाह, मेरे पास पिंक बर्गर और उसके पास ब्लैक बर्गर है। तो चलो मेरे पास एक आइडिया है और मैं खाना इसको स्टार्ट करूँगी। तो ये बहुत मज़ेदार होगा, बहुत शानदार। हाँ तो तुम खाना स्टार्ट करो। यम्मी, ये तो बहुत टेस्टी है सच्ची में। हाँ ये देखो, ये कितना शानदार है। हाँ तो मेरे पास आइडिया है। हाँ तो देखो दोस्तों, मैं क्या करती हूँ कि मैं उसके बीच में ये रख दूँगी। हाँ तो खाना, ओके थैंक यू। अरे तुम भी खाना स्टार्ट करो। चलो ठीक है, मैं खाना स्टार्ट करती हूँ। ये क्या हुआ? हाँ 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 हाँ, ये क्या कर दिया तुमने? मुझे तुम पर बहुत गुस्सा है। तो दोस्तों देखते हैं अगले चैनल में हमारे पास क्या है। ये क्या है? बहुत
That makes me cringe. Why me? Why? Don't get so upset. Let's see what I have. What? This looks disgusting. It can't be. I feel for you, Lily, but you have to eat it. And I just happen to have a spoon here. Take it. No need to thank me. Okay, give me your spoon. I'll deal with this as soon as possible. Oh, poor Lily. I can't even imagine what you're feeling right now. Hang in there, hon.
No.
Stop with the drama. Okay, I'll do it. No, I've changed my mind. I can't. Lily, what did you just do? Oops, sorry about that. I don't even want to touch it, but I have to get it off my forehead. This smells good. Is that chocolate? I'll just try a little bite and find out. Unbelievable. It's really chocolate. It's so delicious. Lily is shocked by this turn of events. Pinch her, otherwise she'll think she's dreaming.
Okay.
Hold it, am I not? Wow, it really does smell like chocolate. Oh man, this is so tasty. I don't need this spoon anymore. I want to cram as much as possible into my mouth. Phenomenal.
Awesome.
What do you want, Emma? Share some with their friend?
No.
Lily isn't planning on giving away even a crumb. The taste of that cake has clearly driven her crazy. I didn't think she was that greedy. Instead of judging me, you should start eating your octopi. The expression on Emma's face says she's not happy about this at all. She's gonna be sick. Let her eat. The rules are the same for everyone. I can barely get this stupid octopus off the plate. I'll just lick it first.
Okay.
Oh, don't make me eat it. I can't.
No.
Look at the time. I gotta go. Hold it.
Stop.
Eat these cute octopi, and then you can go. I said no. You can't make me. Lily, be careful. Octopus tentacles can stick to your face. Emma, this is all your fault.
Oh my God.
Lily, you look so funny. Congratulations. This time you got suckers. They must be really good. My lollipop is so small. Mine is so big. Emma, can we switch? No, why would I want to do that? Fine, eat your big black sucker. I'll be able to finish mine off quickly. Look, after a few seconds, there's practically nothing left. Oh, you're speeding right along. Now let's see how fast you can eat yours. It's so big, it'll take you forever to get through it. You won't be able to bite that, Emma. Your only option is to lick. And this is gonna take a while, so be patient. Wait, I have an idea. I know how to speed up the process. This is gonna be good. Why do you need a drill? Just watch. Everyone will envy my ingenuity. Wow, that's a cool idea. A quick spin will help me handle this faster. What's that strange smell? It's like smoke? Oh, Emma, that got really hot. Oh my God! Now the lollipop got hot, but also my tongue. I'll help you. Be patient. Pour water on it. That's a surefire fix. Well done, Lily. Yeah, thanks, Lily. I feel much better. Sugary soda? What could be better? It's time for you girls to quench your thirst. This is such a nice surprise. I can't wait to chug the whole thing. But first I have to get this open. You seem to have run into a problem there.
What?
Yeah, I can't get it open. I'm twisting as hard as I can. I'll try using my teeth. Ooh, calm down. That's not cool, Lily. It's useless. Nothing works. Wait, maybe a strong shaking will fix the situation. I had no choice. all your soda. There's really not much left.
No! What?
At least there's something. One whole sip. Well, I drink it all. I definitely don't need this bottle anymore. Now it's my turn. Lily, look how easily my lid opens. One move, and that's it. And now watch me enjoy drinking the whole thing. You don't have to tease me, but if you want to, then I'll get back at you with a prank. Lily, that was some harsh revenge. Look, Emma's covered in pink soda. I'd say she's gonna need a shower. I don't care. I'll drink what's left. Hey, get that here. It's my soda. Here's to you. Take this. Don't you dare take that bottle away from me.
No!
Oh, stop fighting. Don't forget that you're friends. That's true. We are. Here you go, Emma. That's a bit better.
Thank you very much!
Well, girls, it's time to get a few barbs in, if you know what I mean. These are cacti. How can we possibly eat them? Can we even touch them? Ouch! I need to figure something out when it comes to these prickly needles. I think I have an idea. I'll shave this stupid cactus bald. Wow, Emma, that method actually worked. Now there are no needles on the cactus, and it can be eaten. Bravo! Let's find out what it tastes like. Oh no, that's the most disgusting thing I've ever eaten. Ugh, it's impossible to enjoy that. I have a better idea. I'll just stick a straw in it and drink all the juice from the cactus. Brilliant! My stomach is doing flips. Ugh. Wow, so much gum. You are incredibly lucky, girls. Just about anyone would be happy in your place. I'm sure it tastes amazing. Check it out! I have black gum. That looks really cool. It's unraveling so deliciously. Wow! And now to get to chewing it. Yummy. It's time to blow a bubble. That is the best part. It's also fun to burst such bubbles. Like this. Lily, you ruined everything again. It comes all over my face. True, but look how funny it is. And now it's my turn. Come here, my sweet pink gum. Here I go. Justice must prevail, and I know how to even things out. Oh, carefree Lily doesn't suspect a thing. Enjoy chewing that gum while you can. I can't stop eating this amazing gum. I want it to last forever. Great! Everything's ready. This is the best prank in the world. And now I'm gonna blow the biggest bubble in the world. And now it's taking you up, up, and away, Lily. Along with your chair. Ciao! Now you know not to pop my bubbles. What? So small? Mine is super huge. Emma, can we switch? No way, I'm no sucker. Whatever, mine's better anyway, and way tastier than yours. Whoa, now that is speed. See how I did it? Now eat yours just as fast. I'll try. That's not fair. I need to eat this old-fashioned way. How much longer? I have an idea. I'll take care of this with a drill in 2 seconds. Whoa! Wow, cool idea! That's way faster and tastier. Where's that smell coming from? Emma, your tongue, it's on fire! What? Ah! I'll save you. That's what I need. Oh, now you're safe. Thank you. Whoa, pink noodles. I love these. What? Black noodles? That's gross. What's the matter?
No!
I'll start first. Chopsticks? These are too small. That's what I need.
What?
My plan didn't work. I can't appreciate the noodles like this. Go away. Why do I need chopsticks if I can just use my hands? Whoa. Yeah, that's way better. And takes way longer. I'm not rushing. I can eat as much as I want. Maybe you should hurry. Jess, you fell asleep. Wake up. Get up, Sleeping Beauty. What? What did I miss? That's it, my noodles. What happened to them? How gross. Kate, it's your turn. Okay, I'm ready. Ew, these noodles are so spicy. My chopsticks. Whoa, you need to be careful. I'll try. What? Where did they go? Okay, I can do without those. My hands are way stronger. Oh, so hot. Horrible. I can't do this anymore. I'll eat this all in one bite. Oh, it's so hot. Ah, help me, I'm on fire. I need a drink. Perfect, just what I needed. The broth is also spicy. Ah, help! I'll save you. Phew, thank you so much. Hooray, everything's okay. Super cool. Whoa, such a big black burger. And I have pink. I love burgers. Lily, if you don't mind, I'll start first. Mmm, so juicy. That's perfect. I wonder what it tastes like. Something's missing. Lily, can you pass the ketchup, please? Of course, 1 second. So naive. I'm gonna pull a prank. Lily won't forget this. Let's put our secret ingredient right here. That's what we need. Emma, take this. Thanks so much. Will you eat your burger? Of course, burgers are my favorite food. What's this? Cheese, come here. No, my perfect burger. You did this. Take that. It got hot in here. Wow, it's black Coca-Cola. I love it. Super, and I have pink. I want to try this now. Come to me, my love. What? I'm stuck. Ouch. What do I do with you? Idea. This is way better. Mmm, so tasty and refreshing. Just what I need in this weather. Mmm, delicious. Done! That was fast. Nothing good ever lasts. My turn. Come here, Coca-Cola. Whoa, this is really refreshing. I want that too. Idea! Where's my straw? That's what I need. Kate won't even notice. So good. Mmm, so tasty. What? Stealing my cola? No way. What? Ow, Kate! I didn't do anything. So tasty. Ouch, that hurts. What's a cactus doing here? Okay, I'll start. No, I can't do this. That's what I need. Hang tight, cactus. Say goodbye to your needles. Be careful. That's much better. Ew, terrible. So gross. I'm gonna puke. I have a better idea. Not a cactus, but a refreshing cocktail.
हाँ तो देखते हैं हमारे पास अगले चैलेंज में क्या है। वाओ, मेरे पास ब्लैक केक है और मेरे पास कितना शानदार है। वाओ, मेरे पास पिंक केक है, तो पिंक केक बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है। तो दोस्तों मैं अभी इसको खाना स्टार्ट करूँगी, पर नहीं बहुत मज़ेदार है। तो मैं देखती हूँ कैसा है ये। बहुत मज़ेदार। हाँ तो हाँ, ये क्या हुआ? पीछे क्या है? हाँ, ये पीछे क्या है? तो हाँ, ये क्या हो रहा है? हाँ सॉरी, हमें पीछे देखा नहीं लगता। हाँ तो देखते हैं हमारे पास क्या आया। ओह, स्ट्रॉबेरी। یس اسٹرابیریز. ہاں تو میرے پاس پنک اسٹرابیریز ہیں. ہاں تو پنک اسٹرابیریز کو ابھی میں سوچا میں ڈال کر اس کو اچھی طریقے سے اس کا جوس بناؤں گی. ہاں تو اسٹرابیریز شیک ابھی ہم تیار کریں گے. اوہ سوری. واو اسٹرابیری شیک. ہاں میں اسٹرابیری شیک بناؤں گی. واو اسٹرابیری شیک کتنا شاندار لگ رہا ہے. ہاں تو اسٹرابیری شیک بنایا جائے گا اور میں اسٹرابیری شیک کو اس کے اوپر ڈالوں گی. تو میں اس کے اوپر اپنی اسٹرابیریز رکھوں گی. ہاں کتنے مزے کا لگ رہا ہے اس کا کیک. واو یمی بہت ٹیسٹی ہے. مجھے بھی چاہیے. ہاں بہت شاندار. اور واہ اس کی لپس پر دیکھو. یہ کیا ہو گیا؟ یہ مٹ کیوں نہیں رہا؟ ہاں تو میں اپنا فیس لگتا ہے دھونا پڑے گا. ہاں تو میری باری ہے اب. چلو میں دیکھتی ہوں میرے پاس کیا آیا ہے. ہاں تو دیکھتے ہیں میرے پاس کیا ہے. اوہ اسپائسز. نو. ہاں یہ کیا ہو گیا؟ ہاں 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 نو یہ کیا ہو گیا ہے؟ نہیں تم دوبارہ نہیں کر سکتی. اب تمہیں اسی کے ساتھ ہی کرنا پڑے گا. ہاں یہ تو بلیک چلیز ہیں اور مجھے اب کیا کر سکتے ہیں. ہاں تو میں اس کو کھانا اسٹارٹ کروں. چلی کتنی زیادہ چلی ہے اس کے بیچ میں اور کتنا زیادہ اسپائسی ہے. یہ تو یہ تو نے مجھے کیا کر دیا. ہاں 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 اس نے وہ کر دیا. یہ لو. نہیں نہیں میں نہیں کھاؤں گی. یہ لو. تو اگلے چیلنج میں دیکھتے ہیں ہمارے پاس کیا ہے. میرے پاس ببل گم ہے وہ بلیک والی. واو اور میرے پاس پنک والی ببل گم ہے. ہاں تو اچھی بات ہے کہ ہمارے پاس بلیک ببل گم ہے. واو ببل گم کتنے مزیدار ہے. تو ببل گم کو میں کھانا اسٹارٹ کروں گی. واو کتنے مزیدار ببل گم ہے. بہت ٹیسٹی ببل گم ہے یہ تو. یہ دیکھو. ہاں تو میں اس کو کھا دوں گی. یہ لو. یہ تم نے کیا کر دیا. ہاں چلو ٹھیک ہے اسے چھوڑو. اب میں اپنے ببل گم کو کھانا اسٹارٹ کروں گی. ہاں تو واو یہ کتنے مزیدار ببل گم ہے. تو ٹھیک ہے تو تم ہو تو پھر میں بھی ہوں. اور دیکھو میں تمہارے ساتھ کیا کرتی ہوں. ہاں تو یہ دیکھ سکتے ہیں آپ کہ میں اس کے ساتھ کیا کر رہی ہوں. ہاں تو دیکھو کتنے مزیدار ببل گم ہے. یمی سو ٹیسٹی. تو دیکھ سکتے ہو. واو اتنا بڑا غبارہ. واو ہاں یہ کیا ہوا؟ میں کہاں جا رہی ہوں؟ میں تو آسمان پر جا رہی ہوں. اوکے دوستو آپ سے اگلی ویڈیو میں ملاقات ہوگی. تب تک کے لیے اللہ حافظ دوستو. تو میرا اگر آپ کو یہ ویڈیو اچھی لگی ہو تو مجھے کمنٹ میں بتائیں اور میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں اور گھنٹی بجا دیں پلیز.